Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned chicken good. First, drain the chicken well to remove excess liquid and sodium, which significantly improves its taste and texture. Next, rinse the chicken under cold water for about 30 seconds to further reduce any lingering saltiness. Finally, use a fork to gently flake the chicken apart, creating a more desirable consistency for your recipes. These simple steps are crucial for a better culinary experience. To elevate the flavor, consider adding a variety of herbs and spices such as garlic powder, onion powder, or a pinch of smoked paprika. These simple additions can transform the taste profile. For a richer texture, mix in a fat source like 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, a drizzle of olive oil, or a small pat of melted butter. You can also briefly sauté the chicken with diced onions or bell peppers to introduce fresh flavors and a pleasant crunch. Canned chicken is incredibly versatile for various meals. You can quickly whip up delicious chicken salad sandwiches by combining it with finely diced celery and a creamy dressing. It also works wonderfully in quesadillas or tacos, providing a fast and protein-rich filling. For an easy weeknight dinner, mix the flaked chicken into your favorite pasta dishes or casseroles, adding substance without much effort. The possibilities are extensive. For any unused canned chicken, transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator, where it will remain fresh for up to 3 days. Always remember to check the expiration date on the can before opening to ensure food safety and quality. And speaking of smart choices, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description below for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals. It's a resource that could truly change your perspective on money.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.